Welcome to Automania YouTube channel, the most complete automotive channel in YouTube. Ringbrothers out of Spring Green, Wisconsin is back with another wild form that was uncovered on Tuesday at the 2017 Sema Appear. The auto is a 1972 AMC Javelin AMX that has been hit up with a Hellcat motor transplant. In any case, the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 707 strength didn't get the job done. So Ringbrothers swapped out the stock supercharger for a 4.5 liter Whipple unit that now observes the motor convey 1,100 thundering stallions. The fabricate was appointed by Radiator Fluid Master Prestone to commend its 90th commemoration. Thus the auto's unmistakable yellow outside, which Ringbrothers likes to call Jalop Gold. That paint, incidentally, is connected to for the most part carbon fiber pieces. The hood, front bumpers, grille, and the front valance all element a lightweight material. Different mods incorporate a custom 4-connect race suspension, a 12-jolt pivot, side fumes exits, and a cutting-edge stopping mechanism. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, give us a comment, share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you again on the next video.